Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes, and you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home.